So I just thought I'd show you the sort of damage that the armyworms are doing to, well, this is supposed to be lawn. So this is the damage that armyworm causes. They seem to, well, they can be above ground and below ground in my understanding. Ask any turf grower. But, yeah, it doesn't look too good, does it? So they eat all the roots and destroy grass at least. So let's look a bit further into this. Well, if you know more than I do, please leave a comment. They're pretty nasty things. But if I can get right in close, that's what they do. They just dig it all up, eat the roots out, and leave it pretty barren, to be honest. So these are the eggs here, as depicted on corn, if I'm not mistaken. A bit weird, but I believe once they hatch, they crawl down into the earth, or they eat whatever they bloody like. Anyway, next frame coming up. So here's one that's hatched out. They can be different colours too, and I thought initially when I was looking at my crops that they can change colour like according to the background that they're on to hide, but seemingly they come in different colours. I'm really not sure about that either. So you can see what they look like, and there's some more pictures here. They do have these speckles along the side. Okay, next frame. So this photo shows that the spots on them, as I said, they can be different colours, and they've got these spots on their legs too. They're blooming hard to see when they're small, and they can get really large. I mean large, I mean like 2 inches long and very fat, and they're hungry things. Okay, let's get back to the video. Although it looks like they don't like the clover, or what are they, dandelion? I'm not sure. Anyway. Yes. Armyworm Havoc.